How we doing, everyone? I'm Dario, and this is MEDIABOXENT. Well, always to bring you the latest in technology. So today, 4G security camera is not a Wi-Fi, but the benefit is going to work anywhere around the world, and you don't need to be attached to the Wi-Fi. And also, solar panel gets recharged all the time, and super easy to install. I'm going to show you those things right now. It's a 4G 2K 360 degree. Now, the company can. It's something like a Real Link. I will say Real Link on CAN. So the application you need to download is a Real Link. But I'll show you that. Now, super easy. We see the app. And see, this is the idea. This is one idea. So I guess people use this for hunting. So you want to make sure and figure out what type of animals goes around. And that's why they have that type of military color, the green color, the camouflage color. But once again, I mean, they're showing an example, but you can use this for any other type of application, to protect a home, a business, or to use for this as well too. And the benefit is 4G. It's super easy to install. So let's take a look at the camera now. So the camera, once again, you have to install the 4G antenna. This is to scan, to install the camera. Super easy, takes only 30 seconds. That's to power up the camera with the solar panel. One thing I recommend is when you get the camera, just use any charger at home, or just plug it in into your computer and just full charge it before you're going to bring it for outdoor and start using the camera. Switch on and off, and make it super simple, right? Now the camera rotates up and down, and it tilts. Now, memory-wise, I installed 128 gigabyte micro SD, and then the SIM card right there. Make sure you push it all the way. Now, SIM card. And right below this video, I'm going to leave the link, the company I use for myself for all my camera. It's great, and it's going to work anywhere, and you just do everything online. So make it super easy to, configure the camera. Not much into it, super easy. So the link will be right below this video, and that's the one we're using today. So this is the camera. Now, it comes with the support. Once again, the camera is meant to be this way, right? So it comes with the support. It comes with all the screws. Short, the solar panel, a pretty long cable, I would say, right? Pretty long cable. And that's to plug into the camera. The idea, if you want something portable, you're going to be using what I showed you in the picture. So that's what you're going to use. And this is for your solar panel. Camera's always good to, at least if you get like 6 hours of sun. So whatever you're going to set the solar panel, that's plenty. So the application, instruction-wise, and super easy. Okay, we're going to go over in a second. Not much into it. And then the installation for the panel. Now, let's go and let's take a look at the app. Now, for the installation, it's super simple. The only thing you need to do is just go camera. So put plus. You're going to scan right here, and automatically it's going to detect it. Now, the nice thing with this is much easier than Wi-Fi. If you ever configure a Wi-Fi camera, you need to know the password. My router is set at 5 GHz or 3.5. Why? Because all the cameras are 3.5. Even though the newest camera, like the Real Link camera, the new ones are dual band now. But I would say still 90% of the cameras is still like 3.5. And it depends how you set up your network. Maybe it's 3.5 and 5 or dual band. And people don't remember password. That's why I'm saying, because always have those questions, I cannot again. Why I cannot again? Why don't they take my camera? Oh, maybe you are connecting Wi-Fi. This case, that problem is gone. It only takes about maybe 20 seconds to normally detect it. That's one of the beauties on the 4G. Too bad you got to pay for data, right? I wish the other one would be that easy. One you again, sure. So we can move this up and down. So real time, 360, 90 degree tilt. We can go full video and configuration. By the way, even this thing has alarm. So now we can set the motion sensor. Now, one thing I want to recommend on these cameras is you're not going to set this camera to record 24 hours a day. First, you're going to be wasting all your battery, because it's not the idea to record 24 hours, not with the solar, and you'll be using data like crazy. You're going to be blowing the data in a few days, I would think so. So the camera normally is set about 20 seconds, 30 seconds, maybe maximum 1 minute. The idea is when somebody pass by, or they say you're going to use it for a track, and an animal pass by, it will record, and send you the push notification to your phone, and now you have a live video, or you can see the pre-record video right into the camera. I would not recommend to see these cameras or any of the solar cameras to record 24 hours. The idea is record 15, 20 seconds, send you the push notification, or if your phone was off, I guess next time you turn on, you see the machine, you can again and see your video in real time. Even it has alarm. You can send information, send you even through email. You can put the camera in a sleep mode. There are a lot of cool things on, even alarm and audio. By the way, the audio is pretty loud. That's the idea you're going to be using, right? You're going to be chasing animal with this, but this will be more big use for home business. So let's join right there. By the way, it has a speaker so you can listen to. Okay, so hello, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the camera is back of the microphone, so you can see that was pretty loud. I like it. Why? It's 2K, 360, and I'm not attached to Wi-Fi. Super easy to install. Works all year round. Right? And that's the camera. Now, like always, I will leave the link right below this video. Remember, if you need a data plan, I recommend to use the company I'm using all the time for all my 4G network cameras. And once again, I'm Dario, and I'll see you next time. Bye.